Alright guys, this is my original video. You know how I got this Punkston keyboard. Well, now they reach out to me and look, this is how I got used my keyboard. Like it's very good. I enjoy this keyboard a lot. I just like changing the colors. Mostly I'm just changing the purple. But yeah. So they sent me their next keyboard that they made. Well, it doesn't say Punkston, but it's like another brand they actually own as well. Tezarre. It's actually like I guess it's the same box they had, like the same like with the other one. But let me see. Yeah, it's new. They made it new. So we're gonna test it out through my game. Right now I'm playing Minecraft right now. My monitor skipped here. It's new, and that's my okay. Look. In the future I might do I guess full setup tour, like once I actually get some stuff from my room or from my table. But yeah, let's get this opening. Alright, once we open this, okay, we're opening this right now. Okay, we gotta be gentle because I don't want to ruin this. Alright, okay, let's see. Oh, okay, you guys might be wondering why you got a white again. To be honest, I like the white of it. It looks better, to be honest, with white. It actually looks so nice and clean right now. Oh my god, it looks better. We'll see what they give me. Okay. Well, I can't open this. Hold on. Alright, I got it. It says, thank you for choosing our keyboard. Well, that's what it means. We design and assemble our boards. Should be any issues, questions. Okay. Alright, there we go. We got information about it. What is this? Oh, it's information about the keyboard, or like what type. And don't forget, once we open this little thing. Oh, okay, we don't get a keycap holder, I think. Oh, we do. We actually do get it. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's put this box away right about now. Alright, we got it. Alright. Okay, oh wait, we need to unwrap this very quickly. Hold up. Let's try to get this unwrapped. Alright, let's go. We got, okay. Let's see how it feels. Oh. Okay, now I know what putting keycaps means, and oh my god. Actually, it feels the same as the other one. I thought this one was gonna be more softer, but it's actually the same. It's just like how it sounds. Oh yeah, because I got the red keycaps, I think. Well, let's try to open this. Hold up. And I remember, like on my last video when I showed this, it has blue switches, and this one I actually got the red switches. All right, the red switches. Alright. Okay, this looks actually nice. It's actually comfortable. Okay, first thing, also, if you guys want to get one for yourself, I'll put in a link of an Amazon where you guys could get this keyboard, and I'll send you the guys the dude's Facebook that recommended me to order this. He recommended me to buy it, and I'm like, you know what, alright, let's get this review on it. And it's actually really, and I'm actually wanna test it out on the game and see how good it actually is. But if you guys ever do message him about this keyboard or anything, like email the dude about like if this keyboard is good, like I'll put it in the description in the video. Like you guys should message him like about the keyboard. He'll give you all the details and information about it, and make sure to tell him that you came by from me, like from the video about this. So let's see how it is right now. Let's test it out in the game. First, I'm gonna unplug this and connect to this. Be right back very quickly. Alright guys, this is our keyboard. Oh my god, it actually looks nice. Like the rainbow of it, like oh my god. Alright, first, can I move? I can actually move. You don't even need like a computer or anything just to actually connect it to the PS4 or Xbox or anything. it automatically connects to anything, I guess, right now. So it's actually really helpful. Also, guys, I'm pretty sure nearby in the future, if we get this video gets at least a 20 likes or 25 above, at least above, I'm pretty sure, and like, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Me and the company Tezarre will actually do a giveaway for a free keyboard, 100% free. That you guys will get this keyboard, this one kind. It's beautiful right now. It's actually really beautiful. If you guys want to get one for yourself, make sure to leave this video 25 likes and stay tuned for and subscribe to this channel if you guys really wanna get a free keyboard like this one. It's actually really clean right now. It's literally nice and small, and it's comfortable like to feel. All right, let's try to test it out in the game maybe. All right, I'm gonna put like, oh my god, it's like the sound of it. Look, first look, listen. And listen to this one. Like the difference is sounds so. This one sounds nice, so clean. I like this. It's actually a really good keyboard. I recommend it if you guys want to get one for yourself, just like this one. It's actually really good. All right, guys. Right now I tested out in my game, and I was actually I was actually impressed with it. It was actually good. I'm not gonna lie. So if you guys ever want a keyboard mechanical with putting like not that clickly like sound like this, if you guys don't like that one, I recommend you guys to get this one. Like they're both really good. Like I have no hate for each keyboard, but they're both really good. I'm not gonna lie. They're compatible with anything. They're compatible with the C port, and also it would actually help a lot. Okay, right now I realize this keyboard is actually not okay. I'm recommending this if Tezarre ever watching this or listening to this right now, like the company owner, I recommend if you guys add a Bluetooth, like a keyboard that could be Bluetooth to the PS4 or Xbox or any anything, like Bluetooth to anything. I recommend them to actually do that. That would actually be a nice design, like feature for a keyboard like this, because why not have like a Bluetooth keyboard like connected like without the wire, and you could just like play around with it, you know, just to have fun. And also, what do you call it? I'm pretty sure recommend them actually in the near future if you guys like ever like, I don't know, I was like thinking if you guys ever like design like something like nice like this, like keycaps, like make your own keycaps that looks because I'm probably gonna get myself some different keycaps for this keyboard, like that one or something, or probably this one that I might try to get like red or blue. I don't know, either way deciding, but I recommend you guys to get Bluetooth and get some like keycaps like under like at least $16 for like to purchase it on like through Amazon or anything like that. But yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, turn on notifications, and comment down below what you guys think about this keyboard, because for my recommended, I'm actually enjoying this. It's actually really nice to feel this keyboard. Like the other one is also nice. They're both really nice and I feel comfortable. They feel the same, to be honest, but this one's newer, I guess. It's obviously, so yeah. I recommend it. And also, if you guys want to purchase your own, make sure to that you guys were coming by from me from this video. Just say, hey yo, I'm from this video from this guy named Yo Rexer. If you heard of him, like he recommended like this keyboard is actually really good. Make sure like to actually do that, because that's actually a help. It's actually gonna help me like be more helpful, like to recommend their keyboards and reviewing them like this one right now. So yeah, peace out guys. Peace.
Hood, fuck is you talking about? It's crack. Punjabi bound. Yo, my name is Nigga Singh.